Good morning, Mrs. Mitchell's Maths Group. Today we're going to be looking at multiplication. We're going to be looking at comparing statements, comparing what we know about multiplication. So, here's our first challenge today. Now, you'll need to get yourself a pencil and a piece of paper so that you can join in today. And you'll need to remember to pause the video to give yourself time to work out the answers. Okay, so first question here says, match the array to the correct multiplication and work out the answer. So we've got some arrays here. So I've got 4 and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 and 8 there, and I've got 2 and 7 there. I've got 3 and 5 there. You have to match the array to the correct multiplication, and then you need to work out the answer. So you can pause the video and have a go. Okay, let's see how you got on. So here I've got 8 4 times, which gives me 32 dots. I've got 7 2 times, which gives me 14 dots. And I've got 5 3 times, which gives me 15 dots. Okay, now think about these symbols. Remember, this one is smaller than, this one is greater than, and this one means equal to. Circle the symbol to make the statement correct. So I've got 4 3 times and I've got 8 2 times. Which symbol are you going to say? Are you going to say that this one is smaller than this amount? Are you going to say that this amount is greater than this amount? Or are you going to say it's equal to? Pause the video and count the spots if you need to work out the answer. Okay, this is 4 3 times, so that's 12. And this is 8 2 times, so it's 16. So this one is smaller than this amount. Let's try the next one. True or false? Remember, this sign means greater than. So 3 2 times is greater than 2 3 times. I need to work out the calculations here to help you out. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, it's false because they're equal to each other. 2 3 times is 6 dots. 3 2 times is 6 dots. So the symbol that should be in there should be an equals sign. Now, we need to look at the bar model. We've got to use smaller than, greater than, or equal to make this statement correct. I've got 6 times something equals 18. 6 times something equals 18. I think in there I know that 6 times 3 is 18, so I would need to say 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 in there to make 18. And I've got 4 times. So 4 times 4 equals, to work out for me what's the missing value in here. Don't forget, you'll need to complete these. Jot them down on your paper and pause the video. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, so we had 3's in there, and this is 16. 4 add 4 add 4 add 4. 4 times is 16. So 18 is greater than 16. Well done if you got that. Now then, we're going to use the same signs again. Smaller than, greater than, or equal to. We're going to complete these comparison statements. So 3 times 8, is it smaller than, greater than, or equal to 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 add 4? You will need to pause the videos and work out each calculation before you can put the symbol in. Don't forget that you can draw some models to help you. Okay, let's see. Yes, so 3 times 8 is 24, and I've got 4, 2, 3, 5 times, and 4 times 5 is 20. This one is greater. 32 divided by 8 is 32 divided by 8 is, so that's 3, so it's 4. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. So 4 is smaller than 6. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And 6 times 3 is 18. So we can see that this one is smaller than this one too. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Nina says that 16 divided by 4 will give you the same amount as 4 times 4. Now I've got some 4s here to help you. Is Nina correct? Explain how you know. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, Nina is not correct because 16 divided by 4 is 4 and 4 times 4 is 16. So here my answer would be 4 and here my answer would be 16. 4 is less than 16. Now the next one says, use the digit cards to complete this statement. Find 3 possibilities. So something times 3 is smaller than 5 times something. Pause the video and have a go. And these are the possible answers. Now, what we've got to do here is spot the odd one out and explain why. So we've got to work out which one of these is correct, which ones are correct. So pause the video and have a go. And the odd one out is C because it's incorrect. So 7 times 4 equals 28 and 8 times 5 is 40. So this should have been the other way around. It should have been the less than statement. Okay, so that's today's work completed, children, today. Tomorrow, we're going to do some practicing on our own.